Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today I will be showing you a drink, a secret drink for belly fat loss, and this drink should be drink in the morning. It's so easy, so cheap, and you can drink it for a week or two. And let's get started here. Let's get started. So we need 2 or 3 garlic. We need lemon, slice it. It should be fresh, and we need warm water. It should be warm, and we need honey, just 1 or 2 teaspoons. So let's prepare it. We will put 2 spoons of honey to the water. It should be warm water. After we add the honey, then we will take the fresh sliced lemon and squeeze it inside the water. Just squeeze it well, and in this way we can filter the seeds later, or you can take it before that, but that's not a big deal. And just like mix well, just like let's mix the water with honey and lemon. You can chip the garlic and then drink the water with the honey, or you can put the garlic inside the water and you can drink them all together, but drink this with empty stomach in the morning. It's also good for cough and flu. I hope you like my videos. Thanks for watching.